Student M obtained an ESAT percentile rank of 80. This indicates that letter A, he surpassed in performance 80% of her, okay, his puto dapat na, of his fellow examinees. Letter B, he got a score of 80. Letter C, he surpassed in performance 20% of his fellow examinees. Or letter D, he answered 80 items correctly. What is our choice? Usapang percentile rank. So sabi dito, no, si student M daw po ay nakakuha ng percentile rank na 80 no, sa ESAT, National Secondary Achievement Test. Okay? And by ESAT, alam po natin standardized test, yung ating pong ESAT. Ano po ibig sabihin ng standardized test? Baka maitanong ni Let, no? Ano po ba ibig sabihin ng standardized test? Kapag sinabi po natin isang test ay standardized, ibig sabihin, no, ginawa po siya ng mga experts para ma-compare yung mga estudyante na nasa pare-parehas na level, no? Usually, for example, nagbigay ka ng ESAT sa ating po mga fourth year students or grade 10 students, okay? So lahat ng grade 10 students sa buong bansa ay magti-take ng test na to, no? So your goal actually is to compare, no, yung performance ng kada school. Kaya nga po may cheating arrangement, di ba? Sa ating mga ESAT, mga ano pa ba, DATRAT, etc. No? Kasi minsan, yung performance ng mga students ay nagiging indicative ng performance ng school at nagiging indicative din ng budget ng school. No? Kaya parang minsan yung schools. No? When you say percentile rank of 80, ibig sabihin po niyan would be letter A. Letter A po yan. No? Kaya nga sinabi natin, ESAT standardized. Lahat ng mga estudyante sa ganitong level, binigyan. Kasi yung goal natin is to compare, no? Compare the performance of student M with the performance of the rest of the group. Okay? So letter A, ang ating hinahanap. He surpassed in performance 80% of his fellow examinees. Okay? Hindi po you got a score of 80. Ligwak din po ito, hindi po 20% at hindi din po letter D, no? So letter B at D po kasi natin walang comparison, no? So these are your criterion referencing. Kaya yung ating top notcher, kunwari, no, si Coach Isan, di ba? Yung dating top notcher natin sa math, di ba? 95% yung nakuha niyang rating sa LET, no? Ibig sabihin po niyan, mas mataas siya, yung nakuha niyang scores, no? Ay mas mataas kaysa sa 95% ng lahat ng mga nag-take ng LET, di ba? So letter A is the right choice. Okay? So ito po, no, norm reference at criterion reference. Pag norm reference, katulad po ng ating question kanina, merong comparison, merong ranking. Kinukumpara mo ang performance ng isang tao, ng isang estudyante with the performance of the group. Ang criterion reference naman po, there is no comparison, there is no ranking, mastery yung ating pong tinitingnan. No? So individual based siya. Okay? So yung pinaka-basis mo would be the criteria, would be your objectives. Alright?